Hello everyone, Big Will, and I just want to do a quick video on there's been a lot of buzz about a snowstorm affecting much of the country coming up here from the southern and central plains east to perhaps the mid-Atlantic region, southern New England perhaps. Let's not get excited yet. The storm hasn't even formed yet. But for the area that I am in, which is southeastern Pennsylvania, I would expect anywhere from nothing to 28 inches. And we're going to narrow this down, but it's going to take probably 3 or 4 days. We are still 5 to 6 days away. This would be a Sunday into early Monday situation. So let's not get excited, and I'll be back with more updates.